Hello and welcome. I'm going to record my live attempt at Financial Modeling World Cup Stage 6. I'm going to start my timer and let's go. Download, 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 and download. And grab them all and bring them into my folder. And let's start with Speed It Up. Evaluating the financial location of the proposed divestiture and operating division by consolidated into your holding company plans to sell. Let's see me down selling prices. Okay. So, is it all open yet? Hello, what's going on? Goodness sake, where are these things? 450, oops, I don't need that anymore. That was just in case there wasn't a file. 50. Okay, so it's this minus this minus this times this, I think. Oh, after tax proceeds, oops. Minus that, minus that. 352.50, yes. Net income is 200. Okay, what's the question? Earnings per share for the next year. Okay. Fine. So it's got operating income of 200 and it's got 7.5% interest rate on that, which means the taxable income is that, which means tax is that, which means that the net income is that, so 99. Okay, let's assume that all the after-tax proceeds were used to repay a part of the consolidated debt. Net debt, EBITDA. Okay. So EBITDA is 250, which I assume is here somewhere. Yes. And so we're calculating net debt to EBITDA. So the debt should be this minus this. And we're doing net debt. Where's the cash? No cash shown. Okay. I think we're looking at 2.19. Okay. Instead of repaying the debt, use the after-tax proceeds to make a stock repurchase. Okay. Fine. So these are the proceeds in millions divided by the share price. Gives the number of shares bought back in millions. So now it's that minus that, and so it's going to be this divided by that. 1.21. Okay. Close, upload. I'll be honest, I don't feel as comfortable as that as I would like to for the short question, but never mind. Okay, ideal location. Charge of value, straw. Quick service restaurant chain, yep. So quarterly financial model from the 1st of January. Okay, so we've got a map, nice. So we'll import timeline. And we're going to start in 2025, 1-1. And we want to go, what did we say, 5 years? 5 years, 3 months per period. And we can get rid of that. And hide all of that. Yes, okay. Currently operates in 5 locations. 2 major competitors are also present, each with 4 locations. Now let's focus on evaluating a 6th location. Competitive dynamics. Cannibalization, sure. Location-specific metrics, foot traffic based rate, yep, okay. Analysis uses a city map divided into 900 grid cells, each representing that distance between locations are Pythagorean. Distance between locations affects both conversion rates and price adjustments. Okay, so I'm going to import my esports lambdas. Always a good sign when I'm doing that on a case like this. But anyway, okay. So here's the map. But wait, so is this just duplicating this? That's weird, but fine. Okay. Fine. What do we need to do? Yep. Okay, so what's the first question? Distance from candidate A to the nearest competitor. Okay. So I guess I could do a dist from this map to crap. Okay. So gas star can become C, and herb star can become C, and well, that's enough for now. So dist from this map from C by some square, and then I want square root of that. And then I want flatten, what am I looking for? Candidate A, I think? Yes. Okay, so candidate A 3.16. No. Oh boy. Alright, so I guess there's a scale for this map. Cell size at 0.1 kilometers. Okay. So divide by 10. That still doesn't match, which is not good. Yeah, no, it still doesn't match. So where is candidate A? Here. 4. So 3 and 1. T of 3 squared plus 1 squared is, yeah, exactly what I thought it was. That's very, very concerning. Okay, let's read a little more carefully. 0.1 by 0.1, yes. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay. Sorry, byte bar, or beats, yes. Okay, fine. So let's put these at the bottom. We're off to a bad start. So candidate A minus all of the competitors. Squared by row sum SQRT over 10, and the minimum of those is 0.14. Why on earth is that not agreeing with what I had before? I don't know. I'm a little concerned about it. But anyway, do these not agree with the map? Let's see, which one is 0.14 to byte bar 1? Which is, what? Okay. Oh, alright, because I changed the wrong effing one, that's fine. Fine, never mind. Just move on. Which candidate locations are closest to each other? So let's do just between this and 2 row this. You don't like that? Fine. Add to RCRef. Of that, and add to RCRef of that. Sorry, with some square. So the minimum seems to be 40. 40 by 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 40. Just check. Yes, 40. And that's between candidate A and candidate D. Okay. Candidate location has the fewest competitors within 1 kilometer, including same brand locations but excluding candidate locations. Okay. Sorry, what? Competitors, yes. Okay, so let's get the frickin' competitor map right, shall we? So, sorry, who are we? We are Urban Eats. Fine. So then, Gas Star is a competitor, and Byte Star is a competitor, and Herb Star is called existing, and Can Star can be new. So we'll call this MP, and we'll call this type, I guess. So what are we asking? Candidate location has the fewest competitors within 1 kilometer. Okay, so I want dist from, no, I don't want that. So on that, less than or equal to 1, sum of minus of all of that. And that's for candidate A. And I want to lock these. So what's the question? Fewest competitors. This one only has 1, so that's candidate C. The effective conversion rate for candidate A. Okay, so now I need to actually read the question. Price average order value driven by 2 factors. Base price as given in the location-specific table and the impact of the competitor environment. Okay. So, base price. Conversion rate adjustments. I don't know what this stuff means. What? Okay, base price. There we go. The more competitors there are within 1 kilometer, the more price pressure there will be. Okay, got it. So, price pressure. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So then here we're going to say, what? I don't know what I just did there. Next, look up this in here, returning from here, exact match your next smaller item. Cool. Price adjustments for the base price starting from the first model year. Price increase are calculated annually beginning in 2026. Okay. So, where's the, oh, here we are. Fine. So, start with prices. I guess let's do base price. And that's going to be this. It's going to be if monum, let's just see, is monum the first month? Yes, if monum equals 1. What? Oh, shoot that off at monum. There we go. If at monum equals 1, then this 0 plus 1 times this. Okay, that seems fine. Then edge price. Alright, 1 plus, because it's already negative. Okay, so conversion rate, still haven't got to that. Buying on effective price, average order value for Canada Day in 2025, accounting for competitive price pressure. 1288. Yes, good. All right, and now let's read about conversion rates. Volume of sales. The number of sales transactions will be determined by multiplying the daily foot traffic and the conversion factor. Both are location specific. Daily foot traffic, pay attention to the number of days per period. Okay, I do have days. So foot traffic, days. Cool. Daily foot traffic, okay. Okay. Conversion factor is affected by the sales ramp based on the operation year and the number of other locations, including other urban eats locations, not just competitors, though within specific distances as defined in the assumptions. Okay. So this is comp nearby. This is any nearby. So just take this and extend this down to here. Okay, so base conversion times competitor pressure times ramp. What? If there's one urban eats location and another. Oh, got it. Fine. So this is less than 0.0, 0.3, 0.6. Oh, hang on, what? Oh, I hate when there's rounding in both directions. That's really annoying. Okay. So let's just do just between. So let's just get rid of all of that's around it. Let A be that, and I want or A equals round A1. Okay, oh yeah, we got a couple here that are, so let's look at this. Got exactly 1.7, but that's fine. And here we've got exactly 1.3, but that's also fine. Because nothing is right out of boundary. Okay, good. So then, it's going to be X lookup A in here, which I'll have to turn into numbers in a second, returning from here. Lock both of those. And I want exact match our next smaller item. Yeah, that's fine. I need to fix that. So this is going to be 0, 0.3, 0.6, and okay. Then I want 1 minus that. Sorry, 1 plus that. And then I want product of all of that. So that is the competitor pressure. Okay. So what is the base conversion? Sorry. Okay. Okay. So then what is this ramp thing? Year 1. Okay. 2, 3. So ramp is just X lookup year num in here, returning from here, exact match next smaller. That's one. That's right. There we go. 60%, 85%, and then 100% after. Good. So that's the ramp, competitor pressure. So conversion. So we want the base conversion. So it's foot traffic times that times this, but also this. Okay. So, all right, what do we want? Effective conversion rate for Canada Day in 2025. Okay, so sort off. 0.75. Yes. Okay, so conversion rate, sales, and revenue. Should be this times the adjusted price. Okay, with the revenue of candidate A in 2026, 1234, 1792.0, yes, okay, great. Cumulative EBITDA for candidate, okay, well, back to reading. So, further reduced by the ramp, yes. If you have other locations in the nearby region, will impact the revenue is different than the impact on price. Yes. Gross margin 70% stays the same for each period. Okay. Possible operational costs except rent. Okay. Yes. Margin. Okay, and then rent. What's the story with rent? Annual can be allocated equally to each quarter. Your lease amount will be the same for each year. No inflation. Okay. No other operating expenses for the operational period. Okay. So what do I have? I have 3360. Huh? Oh, set off. Yes, that'll do. So that times the rent, space lease, that'll do. Yep. So then I guess the EBITDA is this minus this. So it's the question about EBITDA. EBITDA for candidate A over the years. 4275036. Yes, hooray. Which quarter does candidate say cumulative cash flow turn positive? Alright, I don't know. Let's do CapEx, I guess. Anything else? No other operating expenses for simplicity. No depreciation, amortization, interest expense, or taxes. Cool. Upfront CapEx investment. Okay. So, cash flow. And let's go get the CapEx is here. So it should be scan of this and minus, scan of minus this and some. And then I want to X match true against this greater than or equal to 0. So it asks which period, and the answer is Q2 28. April to June 28. No, it's fine. The IRR for candidate A over the 5 years. Okay. Mm-hmm. 20.51. Good. Okay. Which candidate location achieves the highest IRR? And that, whoa, my margin. Candidate C. Cumulative EBITDA impact on candidate B if a new competitor location opens up. Okay. Blech. Okay, so I should say equals sum of this. Then I want that. And then a new competitor 0.6 to 1 means 5%. And it's candidate B, so times 0.95. 310, 671, 672. Yes, sweet. Now let's just undo that before I forget. How much does candidate E's EBITDA increase if foot traffic grows by 5% annually in January? Okay, so same trickaroo again. Some, sorry, come over here. Candidate E, and sorry, I want foot traffic to increase. Okay. So, 5% only in January. Okay, so we'll say scan 1 monum equals 1 times year num greater than 1 times 5% plus 1 product. So yes, that's good. One 175,138. Yes, happy days. And again, undo that before I forget. How much is candidate D equal to increase if the impact from byte bar on conversion rates is reduced by half? Oh, crud. Okay. So, sorry, candidate D. Fine. EBITDA D. Okay, so this piece here is what we're taking the product of, so divided by if left this equals B, then 2, otherwise 1. Ooh, didn't like that. What? What? Oh, sorry, that's candidate C, so maybe it changes for this one? Yes, it does. Okay, I guess candidate C is not close to byte bar. 729,078. 008, sorry, yes, 729,008, yes. Okay, and again, just have to fix that. Okay, if a competitor opens a new location, how many untaken map cells locations are more than 1 kilometer away from all the 5 existing Urban Eats locations? Okay. So I just want a map. Yeah, I've got it here. So distance from existing. Just from, on this map, from existing using some square. And what's the question? Or more than 1 kilometer away. So that has to be greater than 100, I think. Time. Now, what does empty mean? Does untaken mean not including candidates? Ooh, I wish that was more clear. So if I say times type not equal to blank, none. Uh-oh. Sorry, times type equals blank. There are 65, but if I say times type equals blank, yeah, so if I say times type equals blank plus type equals n for new, does that change the answer? No, it doesn't. Okay, phew. Then my answer is 65. Cool. All right, save close. Things are going well, which they usually are at exactly this point. And then it all starts to fall apart when I get to question 3. But